With our collections created, we can start by placing our vacation pictures in their respective folders. We'll start with our Miami images. In order to do this quickly, without having to sort through all our thumbnails, let's isolate the Miami images by filtering by keywords. Recall that we attached the keyword Miami to each Miami vacation image we imported. In your keyword list panel, search Miami. Now place a check mark next to the Miami keyword. Next, click the arrow on the right side of the highlighted area. Lightroom has now filtered all our photos and only made visible the images that contain the keyword Miami. The next step is to move these images to the Miami collection folder. The easiest way to do this is to first set our Miami folder as the target folder. To do that, right-click on Miami and click on Set as Target Collection. We can confirm that Miami is now the target folder because you can see a plus sign next to the word Miami. By setting Miami as our target folder, it makes the transfer process much easier. All we need to do now is highlight all these images. So I'll click on the first one, hold Shift, and click on the last one, and press the B key on our keyboard. Right away, all these images are now placed in the Miami collection. You should see 11 images there. Now remove the metadata filter by clicking None, and click on the Miami collection. As you can see, all the images are now available here. Keep in mind that this does not mean our images have moved physically on our computer, or even from our catalog. This is just a filtering mechanism using collections, or in other words, virtual folders in Lightroom.